Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to edit photos on iPhone on iOS 26. So, as you are on your main screen, just go into Photos, select a photo you would like to edit. Let's say maybe this photo, and then I will click on the sliders as you see right now, and then you can adjust it by either cropping this, you can adjust filters, or you can adjust everything from the contrast, saturation, tint, definition, vignette, and then you can even write something on it. So just as you see, it writes perfectly, and then you can change the angle. Let me just check for a bit. By pressing this one, you can turn it upside down, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video helped. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.